filters.
Right.
Now it doesn't happen anymore.
Right.
Now everything's seamless, and the
Right.
AI is better, or the computer algorithm, or whatever it is that's doing this is better. And if you see it, it's wild.
Yeah.
Do you know where it is? I can send it to you. You got it?
Well, do you worry about
this woman is doing this, and it's so crazy. Like, look at this.
Oh, look at
Let's play it a little bit so we can hear it.
You do that with an old filter, and you'll see the lashes on your hand like it would glitch. But look how perfect. I'm wearing makeup right now. And it's just scary because there's a lot of girls out there that don't realise when someone's got a filter on and they're chasing perfection because that's...
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Do you know...